What's going on, guys? We're back out here. We're gonna shoot 50 yards and 100 yards out that way. We're gonna test these slugs that I found. Finally got a slug that'll shoot good in my rifle, and it's these guys, H&N 22 cal 25 grain slugs. They shoot great. I've been trying them in the Javelins forever. Couldn't get any weight or any diameter javelin to shoot out of this thing. So we're gonna shoot here at 50, group it, verify 0, go out to 100. I got the trigger cam on here. It'll be some cool footage. We're gonna go ahead and get started. It's cold, windy. We got a right to left wind. I already did a relief shot, so I filled the tank, took one shot, and we're shooting 960 feet per second with measured with the FX Crony. I did that before we set up here, so you just gotta take my word for it. I'm not gonna waste your time. Let's see how we group here. All right, we're all set up here, going for our first group of 5. Let's see. Yeah, I got 5 rounds in here. All right, we're gonna shoot at the bottom left target. What? Hey, what's up? Alright, well, kind of curious to see what the fuck is going on there. That's not a very great group. Shoot another group to the right. Hang on. Down here at the target, looks like we have 2 in there, 2 in there, and 1 there, so not terrible. I thought I saw a hole up here, but there's no hole up there. So we're gonna move this to the right, call that 50 yard 0 good. Maybe shoot one more group here at 50 to verify, and then we're going to shoot these 2 at 100. We'll measure our groups when we're done, and it'll be at the end of the video. So just how accurate can a 22 air rifle be at 100 yards? I'm going to guess, for mine anyways, it'd be 1 inch to 1.5 inch 5-shot group, but we'll see. Alright, got our magazine loaded back up. Go ahead and shoot this next group. I made an adjustment to the right. Actually, I'm going to go one more click to the right too. Let's see what we get on this second shot. Second group here at 50 yards. Okay, am I still on the reg? Yeah, I'm still on the reg. Alright, well, I just shot that 5-shot group and forgot to record on here. But I'm walking out to the target now. Second shot group. I know I got 2 pretty close to the center. The wind did die. The 2 in the center are touching, and then there's 2 or 3. There's 3 that look like they're to the left of it. Alright, so that's that 50 yard shot group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there we go, about 1 inch. I gotta put some more air in the gun. I'm gonna give this one more click to the right, and then we're gonna go out to 100. 50 yard elevation is good. I'm aiming right there, so I'll go one more click to the right, center that up a little better, and we're gonna take some shots at these guys at 100. My battery just died on my microphone, so bear with me. Hopefully we can get some good audio here. We're set up for the 100-yard portion. We moved over here to the side yard. Out there is the target. You'll see it in a scope cam in a minute. We're going to get set up here. We're going to shoot groups of 5 and then measure our drop and also measure the distance. Measure our drop and also measure the size of the group as compared to the 50-yard group. Let's get started now. Aiming at top left. We're aiming at the top left for the first shot. First 5. A little bit of right to left wind. I'm going to hold for a second. Alright, here we go. Okay, I can see my impact. We're about 1.5 mils below, so I don't have to worry about not hitting the cardboard, so that's a good start. Windage looks good. A lot of wind right now. I'm going to hold for a minute. Oh man, it's so cold. There we go. Wind's dying. Take a shot. Pick him back up. Okay. I'm going to finish this group. Wind is really gusting now. Coming from the right, blowing to the left. I think that was 5. We'll shoot one more just in case. Okay. Should have enough air to do my second 10 round. Let's go ahead and do the 5 round. We'll do the second 5 round group over here. Do this one real quick. See if we get a better group size. With less time in between. Alright, let's go check our groups. Automatically, it doesn't look like the size group that I want. But it is kind of windy. And I'm super cold. That's not a bad group there. This one, things got a little windy left to right. I mean right to left, sorry. But that one's not bad. I mean, that's an inch right there, but that other one's not. That one makes it bigger than an inch. So let's do something now. I'm going to dial this difference and then do this test all over again and try to actually shoot these. So we're going to come up this distance here. I think it's about 1.5 mils from what I remember looking at my scope. So we're going to leave these the way they are for measuring purposes later. But we'll go ahead and try to dial that difference there and hit these. Alright. Maybe just do 3 shots so I can save my air. Alright, we're set up here for the last 100-yard group. We're going to do 3 shots at each bullseye. And we're going to measure So it looks like 2 mils. So let's give it 2 mils. We're gonna hold over for 2 mils. Oh, damn it. Just made a mistake. It is very windy right now. Holy crap. Wait for this wind. Actually, I'm just going to hold it for the wind. Here we go. Holding 2 mils. Target on the left. Alright, let's go to the right. Let's go check these out. Alright, so down here at the target, I tried to hold for wind. Groups didn't turn out much better at all. Those two look nice, but yeah. Alright, so that's the result of that. The elevation looks good on these pretty much, but yeah, still kind of all over the place. I'm cold. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna throw these up on the screen at home once I measure them, so you guys can take a look at that. Cool, huh? Alright, see ya. I mean, alright, and let's be real. Most of you guys can't even really shoot this good with your center fires at 100 yards. Everybody's like, oh, my gun shoots them away. I would bet money against a lot of people on the internet that I could shoot better at 100 yards with my air gun than they can with a center fire. Here's what it is. That's not bad for an air gun. It's not the most accurate FX air gun because I'm not very good at tuning, but that's still good for me.